Aloe vera benefits you didn't know about skin, hair, and more. Did you know that the secret to glowing skin, strong hair, and even better health could be hidden in a simple plant that you've probably seen before? Aloe vera. That miracle gel that you might use for sunburns, but you're completely underestimating. What if I told you that it can do so much more than that? That it can transform your beauty routine and even improve your health from the inside out? Sounds too good to be true, right? But wait, why haven't so many people explored the full potential of this incredible plant? What are you missing out on by not using it the right way? Get ready, because in this video I'm going to reveal benefits of aloe vera that you've probably never heard of. And the best part, they're simple to take advantage of and can make all the difference in your life. This is Life and Health, the channel where you will find practical tips to transform your health and well-being. Before we start, make sure you are already subscribed and activate the bell so you don't miss any news. In the comments, share the phrase, "I choose to take care of myself every day." Let's create a chain of motivation and well-being, showing that you are committed to a healthier and more balanced life. Unveiling the hidden potential of aloe vera. Why you've been underestimating this miracle plant. Aloe vera, often called the plant of immortality by the ancient Egyptians, is more than just a succulent sitting on your windowsill. For centuries, this miraculous plant has been used in traditional medicine and beauty rituals across cultures. But here's the catch. Most people only scratch the surface of what aloe vera can truly offer. Sure, you've heard about using it for sunburns, but did you know it might also be the ultimate secret for glowing skin, luscious hair, and even a healthier body? Imagine this. One small plant packed with over 75 active compounds, including vitamins, enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's real, and it's right within your reach. Aloe vera is a powerhouse ingredient that has been scientifically shown to hydrate your skin, soothe inflammation, and even promote digestion. Let me share a quick story. A friend of mine was struggling with constant dry skin and brittle hair despite trying countless high-end products. Then she stumbled upon aloe vera gel. After just a few weeks of regular use, her skin was softer than ever, her hair was shinier, and she couldn't stop talking about how natural and affordable it was. That's when I realized, people are sleeping on the real potential of aloe vera. And it's not just personal experiences. Studies have shown that aloe vera has antimicrobial properties that can help fight acne, enzymes that improve hair growth, and nutrients that boost overall hydration. But why isn't this common knowledge? Why aren't we leveraging this natural miracle in our daily routines? If you're wondering whether aloe vera is really worth the hype, or how to unlock its full potential, stick with me. In this video, I'll take you beyond the basics and reveal the benefits of aloe vera that you've likely never heard of before. From unexpected beauty hacks to health-boosting tips, I'll show you exactly why this plant deserves a permanent spot in your life. But here's the kicker. Not all aloe vera products are created equal, and using it the wrong way could mean missing out on its incredible benefits. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose the right products, or even prepare your own aloe vera treatments at home to maximize results. So, have you been underestimating aloe vera all this time? Is this the natural remedy your skin, hair, and body have been craving? Keep watching to uncover the truth about aloe vera's hidden powers and how they can transform your health and beauty routines starting today. The hidden wonders of aloe vera, skin, hair, and health like never before. The skin savior. Let's start with what aloe vera is most famous for. Its skin benefits. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, this plant works wonders for hydration and repair. Aloe vera acts as a natural moisturizer, penetrating deep into your skin to lock in moisture without leaving that greasy residue. But here's the magic. It doesn't stop at hydration. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated skin, making it a go-to for acne-prone individuals. Have you ever had a sudden breakout right before an important event? Aloe vera can help reduce redness and calm the inflammation overnight. Practical tip: apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your face as a mask before bed. It's like giving your skin a spa treatment while you sleep. The hair hero. Now let's talk about hair. If you're struggling with dryness, frizz, or even hair loss, aloe vera might be the game changer you've been searching for. Its enzymes help cleanse the scalp of dead skin cells, creating the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. Aloe vera is also known for its ability to strengthen hair strands, thanks to its rich mix of amino acids and proteins. It's like giving your hair a protective shield against everyday damage. Ask yourself, when was the last time you treated your hair to something completely natural yet incredibly effective? Quick hack: mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil and massage it into your scalp once a week. The results? Softer, shinier, and healthier hair that everyone will notice. A digestive dynamo, aloe vera isn't just about beauty, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Did you know that consuming aloe vera can improve digestion and even help detoxify your body? Its enzymes aid in breaking down food, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Plus, aloe vera contains compounds like asamanin, which promote gut health and soothe the lining of your digestive tract. If you've ever experienced bloating or an upset stomach, aloe vera juice might be the natural remedy you need. Imagine starting your day with a healthy gut, feeling energized and ready to conquer anything. How to try it? Add a small amount of pure aloe vera juice to your morning smoothie. It's a subtle addition that can make a big difference, boosting immunity and overall health. Aloe vera is like nature's multivitamin. It's loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals, keeping your cells healthy and your immune system strong. Regular use of aloe vera, whether topically or ingested, has been linked to improved energy levels and a stronger defense against illnesses. And here's a fascinating fact. Studies suggest that aloe vera can even regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great addition for those managing their diet and overall health. Ask yourself, how could incorporating aloe vera improve the way you feel every day? Actionable tip: try a daily aloe vera supplement after consulting your doctor to see how this plant supports your energy and wellness over time. Aloe vera in your daily routine. What makes aloe vera truly remarkable is its versatility. From skincare to smoothies, it seamlessly fits into your routine. Imagine waking up, applying an aloe vera mask for glowing skin, using an aloe-infused conditioner for your hair, and sipping on a refreshing aloe vera drink to kickstart your digestion. Challenge: commit to trying aloe vera for a week. Whether it's a DIY face mask or a store-bought gel, see how this miracle plant can make a difference in your life. What's the first aloe vera benefit you want to explore? Share it in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to embrace this natural powerhouse. By now, you're probably realizing just how much you've been missing out on by not incorporating aloe vera into your daily life. Keep watching because up next, we'll reveal the most effective ways to use aloe vera and the common mistakes to avoid. Don't miss it. Unlocking aloe vera's full potential, advanced insights and lesser-known applications. The science behind aloe vera's power. To truly understand aloe vera's benefits, we need to dive into its molecular makeup. Aloe vera contains polysaccharides, particularly asamanin, which play a critical role in cell regeneration and immune support. Think of polysaccharides as nature's repair crew, working behind the scenes to rebuild and rejuvenate your body. One fascinating study published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment showed that aloe vera's gel significantly improved wound healing and reduced inflammation in patients with burns. The enzymes in aloe vera, such as bradykinase, actively reduce swelling and redness, making it an effective natural anti-inflammatory. Aloe vera's role in anti-aging. We all want to preserve youthful, glowing skin, and aloe vera can help. Its high antioxidant content combats free radicals, which are the culprits behind wrinkles and fine lines. Beyond that, it stimulates the production of collagen, a protein essential for skin elasticity. One lesser-known fact is that aloe vera's ability to retain moisture in the skin isn't just about hydration. It's about creating a barrier that protects against environmental damage. For those living in urban areas with high pollution, aloe vera acts as a natural shield. Practical insight: combine aloe vera gel with a few drops of vitamin C serum. This duo amplifies your skin's defense against aging while promoting a brighter complexion. Ask yourself, could a simple plant-based routine be the answer to reversing the signs of aging? Aloe vera and the microbiome connection. Did you know that aloe vera can positively impact your gut microbiome? The mucilaginous texture of aloe vera gel is rich in prebiotic compounds, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy microbiome translates to better digestion, improved mental clarity, and even healthier skin. A study in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that aloe vera juice helped reduce symptoms in patients with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. The natural soothing effect on the digestive tract, combined with its anti-inflammatory properties, makes it an ideal remedy for those struggling with gut health issues. A nutritionist once shared how her client experienced relief from chronic bloating by adding a teaspoon of aloe vera gel to her daily tea. Within weeks, not only did her digestion improve, but her energy levels skyrocketed. Challenge: try incorporating aloe vera into your diet for 2 weeks and observe the changes in your digestion and overall well-being. Enhancing hair growth with aloe vera. Aloe vera doesn't just strengthen hair, it can actually promote new growth. Its natural enzymes remove dead skin cells from the scalp, allowing follicles to breathe and grow more efficiently. Additionally, its soothing properties can alleviate conditions like dandruff and itchy scalp. Advanced technique: blend fresh aloe vera gel with rosemary essential oil, a known stimulant for hair growth, and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing. This natural treatment outperforms many expensive commercial products. Imagine running your fingers through fuller, softer hair, all from a plant you can grow in your backyard. Aloe vera for immune system mastery. Aloe vera is a natural immunomodulator, meaning it helps balance the immune system. Its active compounds, like asamanin and glycoproteins, stimulate white blood cell activity, which is essential for fighting infections. During flu season, aloe vera juice can be a valuable addition to your routine. A daily dose of aloe vera juice, combined with vitamin-rich fruits like oranges or kiwis, creates a natural defense system that keeps you energized and protected. Research in phytomedicine highlighted aloe vera's potential in enhancing the body's response to infections by increasing macrophage activity. These are the soldiers of your immune system, attacking harmful invaders. Pro tip: always choose aloe vera products labeled as 100% pure and organic. Additives can dilute its effectiveness and might even irritate sensitive systems. Common misconceptions and mistakes. While aloe vera is undeniably powerful, there are nuances to its use. For instance, the yellow latex found just beneath the plant's skin can cause stomach discomfort if consumed in large amounts. Always ensure that aloe vera gel is properly extracted and processed. Myth debunked: more is better. Overusing aloe vera on your skin can lead to excessive dryness due to its enzymatic exfoliating properties. Moderation is key to reaping its benefits. Ask yourself, are you using aloe vera correctly, or could small adjustments unlock even greater results? By diving into these advanced insights, You're not just learning about aloe vera, you're mastering its potential. This plant isn't just a health trend, it's a timeless tool for enhancing your body, inside and out. Up next, we'll explore easy DIY recipes and expert tips to seamlessly incorporate aloe vera into your daily routine. Stay tuned. Aloe vera. Transform your life with nature's miracle plant. As we reach the end of this exploration into aloe vera, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible potential of this humble plant. We began by uncovering its well-known benefits for the skin: hydration, soothing irritation, and boosting collagen. Then we dived deeper into its transformative effects on hair health, gut balance, and even immune system mastery. Aloe vera isn't just a beauty hack. It's a holistic powerhouse that bridges the gap between wellness and nature. Think back to the questions we raised. Can aloe vera truly transform your skin and hair? Absolutely. Its vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes make it one of the most effective natural remedies for glowing skin and healthy hair. Is aloe vera the missing piece in your gut health journey? Yes. Its prebiotic properties and digestive enzymes support a healthier microbiome and ease common digestive issues. Can a single plant improve your overall well-being? Without a doubt. From immunity to anti-aging, aloe vera offers versatile, science-backed benefits. Now imagine the ripple effect of incorporating aloe vera into your daily life. Picture yourself waking up to clear, hydrated skin, running your fingers through silky, strong hair, and feeling lighter and more energized thanks to improved digestion. These aren't distant possibilities, they're achievable realities starting today. What makes aloe vera remarkable isn't just its effectiveness, but its accessibility. You don't need expensive treatments or complex routines. Aloe vera is nature's way of keeping things simple and effective. Whether you grow your own plant or choose quality products, the journey to healthier skin, hair, and overall wellness is within reach. There's something profoundly empowering about turning to nature for solutions. In a world dominated by synthetic products, aloe vera reminds us that the simplest answers often come from the earth itself. It's a connection to something pure, timeless, and deeply restorative. Your aloe vera journey starts now. You've just taken a big step towards transforming your health and wellness. By exploring the incredible benefits of aloe vera, you've unlocked a treasure trove of natural solutions that can elevate your skin, hair, digestion, and even your overall vitality. But remember, knowledge alone isn't enough. Action is the key. Every small step you take, from applying a soothing aloe vera mask to sipping on aloe vera juice, brings you closer to a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself. Congratulations on reaching the end of this video. Not everyone has the commitment and curiosity to dive this deep into self-improvement, but you did. That shows your determination to prioritize your well-being and live life to its fullest potential. Now let's take it further. If you've made it this far, you're not just a viewer, you're a doer, someone ready to take action. Comment below. I'm ready for change. I believe in my potential, and I'll start today. By sharing this affirmation, you're not only committing to yourself, but inspiring others in our community to take their first step as well. If this video resonated with you, don't keep this valuable information to yourself. Like the video, share it with a friend who needs a boost in their health journey, and join our growing community by subscribing to Life and Health. Together, let's explore simple yet powerful ways to live healthier, happier lives. Your journey to better health begins now, and aloe vera might just be the first chapter of your success story. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next video.